Hey guys, it's Street Auto Plaza, Mount Carmel, Illinois. We just got in a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Premier. This has a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. This one only has 63,000 miles. It's going to get you pretty good gas mileage. You're going to get 30 miles per gallon city and 42 highway. This is a one-owner vehicle, clean CARFAX. I'm going to take you around the car. I'm going to point out any imperfections I see. Starting with the front, there is some rock chips on the hood. There's a few tiny chips. Does have a scratch here on the front passenger bumper. Looks good. Does have Michelin, looks like, no, I'm sorry, Ironman tires. Does have good tread. Light little scratch right here. It's got a little scratch here. Tire tread's good. There's a small little dent at the very bottom of the car there. You got manual seat. Passenger side looks good. Rear seats look good. You got heated seats in the rear. The color of this is a really dark, looks like dark navy metallic. Go on to the back. Small little, that's a dent right there. This one has Michelin on it. Tire tread's good on that one. Some curb rash here on the rim. Looks like we have Michelin on the back, Ironman on the front. Tire tread is good. Looks like might be a little chip here on the front. Try to point out everything that I see. Sometimes it's hard to see everything in the sunlight. Seats look good in the back. No odors. Does have power driver seat. Seat looks to be in good condition. No rips or tears. Seat moves forward and back. Let's see, the trunk real quick. Does have spare. Looks like the battery's in the trunk. This one does have heated steering wheel, lane departure, collision avoidance, does have blind spot monitor. seats up front. Let's see. It does blow cool air. Gotta go through the fan functions. Fan functions are working properly. Go to the windows. Let's see. The back window's not really needed. Oh, there it goes. I have the button pushed. It's locked. So I have child lock on it. Okay, driver's side is one touch. All windows go up and down as they should. Let's see, what else am I forgetting here to show you? Your power adapters here. We're showing 63,179 on the mileage. There are no check engine lights on the dash. Red light's the seatbelt. I do not have the seatbelt attached. Have automatic headlights. Go on and off for the bright. Do a rev test. Guys, again, this is a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Premier, 63,000 miles, nice looking car, one owner, clean Carfax. Stop by and see it at 9th Street Auto Plaza, located at 800 West 9th Street, Mount Carmel, Illinois. Contact us at 618-450-2600. You can also get on our website and check out the Carfax report at 9thstreetautoplaza.com.